Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to blur a specific area in Final Cut Pro to protect private data or sensitive information in your videos. Whether you want to blur face, license plate or text, this method is quick and easy. Let's dive in. Okay, first, open Final Cut Pro and create new project. Import your video clip and dragging it into the timeline. Play the clip to identify the area that needs to be blurred. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to show you how to blur this home router section area. So for that, I'll have to determine from which point I should start blurring and up to until what point. So start and end. So let's select a specific area from the timeline. Say from here, I'll use Command B to split it. And then I'll go to the end up until this time frame. We're gonna blur it. So Command B again. So it's splitted. So let's go to the effects section and click on blur. Let me just zoom in. You just need to get that Gaussian effect and drag. Let's drag it and drop it on there section that we split right there. Now as you can see, it's totally blurred, so we don't want to blur the entire window but just want to blur only that router section. So let me undo it and hold the option button and drag the split section upward to duplicate into a new layer. And let's go to the effects browser and search for Gaussian Blur under the blur category. Just drag and drop it to the new clip that we duplicated. And then let's go to the crop section. Just select the crop tool and now you can adjust the blurry section. Just make sure that you selected the correct clip. Let's reduce the size. Fine-tune the blur strength to ensure the information is properly obscured. Preview the video to confirm the blur effect is correctly positioned, and if need, adjust the crop or position for better alignment. Alright, let me show you another example. Maybe we can do this area. Okay, just split that. Control B to split that. Okay, and option and drag it top. There you go, we got a duplicate, and then Gaussian effects, you just drag and drop it to the new clip that we just duplicated, and then go to the crops tool, select the crop tool, and then adjust the size as you need it and position the there you go. That's all. That's it, and you've successfully blurred the specific area using the Gaussian blur effect in Final Cut Pro. Using shortcut like this is pretty easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.